Welcome back to another of my YouTube video tutorial series. In this video, I will showing you how to use rectangle and circle command to draw either first or third angle projection sign or symbol. The first thing to do is to draw a rectangle equivalent to the length and the width of the larger circle. In this case, the length of the angle here is 60. The larger diameter is 40 millimeters. So we type rectangle, REC rectangle, left click, REC rectangle, enter, left click, then enter the 60, 40, enter. Our next step is to draw circles. Draw two circles. One circle equivalent to the large end, one equal to the smaller, the tapered end. In this case, the larger circle is 60 and the smaller circle is 40. So I go C for circle, enter, click here. Radius is 12, beat that the diameter is 24. So I type 1, 2, enter. My next step is to use the outline and draw the tapered shape. I then click on polyline, click polyline, then left click here, then type C to close the figure. That is done. Or my next step is to establish the distance between the end elevation and the front. I could use a line or I could use a circle. Circle, enter, 2P, left click here, and I'm using a distance of that much. Escape. My next step is to draw the circle, is to move the circle from here, drop it here. That is done. I can now delete this. My next step is to draw a circle equivalent to a circle of diameter equivalent to this side. So I type C for circle, enter, left click here, drag to the end, left click there. My next step is to move this from here into place. I left click here, then left click and drag the middle, move towards the circumference to bring up the center, left click there. That's pretty much done. My next step now is to use match property to change this to outline. So I left click here, go up to left click on this, go up to layers, left click on this, and that is now done. I could also, I could finish this off by establishing my center line. So I then go here, come up here, click on center line, activate line, enter, go from here, there, and draw this up like that, enter, escape, and then left click this, move it, click and drag, move it to here, and that's done. Voila! That's how we draw we quickly draw the orthographic projection symbol for again, no, it's important to know that the first angle projection, the difference between first angle projection and third angle projection is that the circle, if the circles are closer to the larger end, it is first angle projection. If the circles are closer to the smaller end, it is third angle projection. Yep. So again, when the circles are closer to the larger end of the tapered object, the tapered polygon or quadrilateral, it is first angle projection. Capiche? Capiche.